Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit bank funds into your JustMarket's trading account. So now let's get started. First step you need to do is log into your JustMarket account. Log into your JustMarket account on their website or mobile application. Once logged in, you will navigate to the deposit section. In the deposit section, you will see various funding options. Choose bank transfer as your preferred method. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit and fill in the required banking details. You will need to make sure that the information is accurate to avoid any delays. And after reviewing the details, you will need to confirm your deposit. The funds should be credited to your Just Markets account within a few business days. And that's how you deposit bank funds into your Just Markets account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.